Blatant adjective. Blatant adjective. Of bad behavior done openly and unashamedly. Of bad behavior done openly and unashamedly. Blatant adjective. Blatant adjective. Blatant adjective. Blatant adjective. Example: blatant lies. Example: blatant lies. Synonyms: flagrant, glaring, obvious, undisguised, unconcealed, overt, open, transparent. Synonyms: flagrant, glaring, obvious, undisguised, unconcealed, overt, open, transparent. Antonyms: inconspicuous, subtle. Antonyms: inconspicuous, subtle. 1. Outsiders will continue to suffer the most blatant discrimination. 2. She was shocked by his blatant sexism. 3. The whole episode was a blatant attempt to gain publicity. 4. I was shocked by the blatant racism of his remarks. 5. His treatment of his secretary was a blatant example of managerial arrogance.